Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Mini One. This car comes with a 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 83 miles per gallon, an insurance group of 11, and the car has full service history, having covered just over 42,000 miles. As you can see, the Pepper white paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, the original owner spent over £3,600 on factory options, which include the climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, the Pepper pack, and also 15-inch alloy wheels. A few other features worth mentioning: you've got the multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has the electric window and mirror controls there on the door. And as we open the tailgate, on the Mini you have the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and also the adjustable floor, so you can hide your valuables underneath or remove it completely for maximum space. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and, as already mentioned, the 15-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance on just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.